Hey, how you doing today? My name is Bubba Gale with Gale Force Suspension. We appreciate you checking on us and maybe looking at this video here. We just want to kind of explain a little about what we did. You know, the Gale Force machine has become pretty popular in racing, and we kind of wanted to let people see what it's made of. And it's not just a simple item that we just throw together and put up with, okay? The construction material we use is heavy duty, the way it doesn't flex. This right here, on this end here, is where our free spinning head comes in. This is a CNC machine piece that the bearings go in, okay? Heavy duty legs right here, okay? This right here is the jack plate that goes up under your jack. Of course, our jack is air over hydraulic, so it sits on top of the load cell. These plates go in the load cell, which you'll see in a little bit. Our base, it's all water cut for exact location every time. A lot of our stuff is water cut for precision and repeatability. And then of course, a lot of our parts are CNC too. Okay, this is a support base for under the machine that you normally wouldn't see too much. Of course, it's heavy duty. The legs run through it for maximum strength, the way the load cell doesn't flex. This is our new U version of our spring unloader. Okay, then the brackets, of course, they're wall water jetted to maintain consistent bolt sizes and everything. Okay, these are jack heads. I'm not a professional here. I'm a race car guy, just like most of you guys looking at this film. I'm going to try to do this the best we can, but it's going to be what it is. But just kind of want to let you guys show all the parts that are involved in the machine to start with in building the Gale Force Coilover Load Pro machine. And just to kind of see how it originates, how it comes. There'll be a couple of different films here. Bam, here we are again. If you watch that first segment of our parts all manufactured and made up, ready to assemble, bam, here we got a machine here. This is our U-style machine here with the bracelet on the end. We've come up with a couple of different models to create the need of what a racer needs. If he needs to go in a cabinet, we call this our dirt model or a cabinet model. It'll go in most Federal trailers and be out of the way if you don't want a spring unloader. Some people want a spring unloader, some don't, so we offer it in both ways. Now, our precision sheet metal work, we have all this cut on a water cutter, the way it'll be exact and true every time. Pretty proud of the way our metal work looks off our water cutter. Sheet metal body, all repeatability, they're all the same. Even all the holes are cut in to line the bodies back up exactly the same. But this is basically segment 2. We showed you the free spinning head, there it is, the bracket for the U's, your load cell mounts here, a place to tie it down in the trailer right here. On wheels to make it easy to go to and from the trailer to the shop. All of our pieces. Our jack plate, of course, is braced for flex. We got it the way we stop the load cell to keep from going over. Our U system that everybody wants to think they can copy on us, that dismounts. Our Heim tool for leaving the shock in the machine and being able to change your bump with it in the machine. Of course, we're pretty proud of our CNC stuff that we use and all of our data stuff that we came up with in building this machine. Okay, show you a few nice pieces that we get. You know, of course, all this is CNC'd. Our back roller shaft, our pinch clamp, our machined head is designed for putting a ratchet in the top, free spinning the head to be able to adjust your coilover nut without having to let your jack up and down. Of course, our measurement arm, our jacks, our load cell, our plate. This is what she looks like back from the powder coater ready to go with all the pieces in front of it. So if you watched all 3 of these versions, you can see there's quite a few man hours in building the Gale Force machine, which is service of need and won most championships all throughout the country last year. Some of our top customers use the machine. We're pretty proud of Kyle Benjamin with Freddie Creary, Scott Bloomquist, Rick Eckler,
Jay Fogelman, David Stremme, Chase Elliott. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. They're all out there winning races, dirt, asphalt, pro late models, super late models. Pretty proud to know that this year at New Smyrna that most cars down there was set up using a gale force machine, owned or not. Pretty much the championship, both championships was won with people using our gale force machine. So we're pretty proud of that. We're into the modifieds a little bit secretly, but we understand we've been winning a lot of races in a modified class up in New England and all around the South with people using our machines. This is what it looks like for we final assembly. This is what we call our final assembly stage, where it's all back from the powder coater. We got it rolling around and ready to put it together where we can get it shipped to you to do your needs at the racetrack, because you figured out your competition's using it and winning on it, and you're making your changes in the pits just taking too much time. So this is what your future machine looks like. We hope we can talk to you at the track or on the phone or something to get you on the winning page with the Gale Force suspension coilover low pro machine. Anyway, give us a call. There's going to be another segment on operating the machine. Thank you for watching this video.